Not much money? I hear that. Want to play PC games with your friends? I hear that as well. This is just a share on how to do that if you have a few of these things lying around the house. I call it the thrifty man's PVC PC, for obvious reasons, of course. And yes, I know you can pick up a cheap PC case for around $25, $30 online brand new. But what is the fun in that? Hey, this is that channel you thought you unsubbed from. Really, there's not much to it. Just cut the PVC to length with whatever cutter you have and test fit them. I skip the glue, and actually the paint and screws will keep it all together. Dang, I moved fast in those shoes. Wish I still had them. If you have all your fingers left now after cutting, go ahead, scuff it up some and paint it if you like. I myself use some good old-fashioned Walmart spray paint. When it's dry, drill some small holes and assemble it with some self-tapping screws. Earlier I shaved a little plastic out of the CPU socket, and I'm putting in a quad-core X5460 Intel Xeon via Magic Sticker. Why? They are cheaper, and they simply outperform a Q9650, which is basically one of the best Socket 775 processors you could have bought for this. Success! My old Socket 775 evga 780 SLI motherboard has now a working server grade 771 Xeon that is overclockable. So let's finish this build and see what we can do, shall we? Before we go ahead and check this out, I just wanted to add, any old PC fans work. These RGB ones were 3 for $30, and the liquid cooler is like 35 plus, but it was a must because the Xeon gets rather warm when overclocked. That all said, maybe you just want to mod your existing case. Well, here's an example for you with a little bit of paint and a license plate holder. The paint and the license plate holder came from the dollar store. I cut the holder with a Dremel grinding wheel, and I drilled a few small holes. Attached it where the screws came through in the back. I grinded those down. I made the vinyl stickers myself and chose Windows 7 because you can change the startup sounds to music. I thought it was pretty cool anyways. Alright, so here's a bonehead move. I couldn't figure out for the life of me, why are these fans spinning? There is no power connected to them. Yeah, I have an external screen recorder I hooked up backwards. Instead of the HDMI out, I had it in reverse. So the power that supplies the HDMI was pouring into the motherboard. Yeah, not a proud moment. Anyways, let's check out this bottlenecking masterpiece of mine. I say that because no matter how I overclocked it, what video card I used, it just didn't increase frames per second. So in conclusion, this was fun as hell and didn't cost much, and it kind of looks cool. Kept my mind busy for building it for a while too. Downside is the GTX 1066GB worked the exact same as the GTX 1054GB. The biggest downside is my camera's SD card went dead after filming most of this build, so I do apologize for that. Sub, like, comment, and answer questions you might know the answer to. Alright, that's about enough for me. I'm out of here. I think I'm just going to go play with my Legos.